Guys, we're hooking up the heater hoses now. This side of that. Have to reroute that. And this is what you call a quick connect. Once you put this on and you push it, you should hear a snap. Once you hear that snap, you push a little bit farther and then you try to pull back and make sure it doesn't come back off. Every once in a while, what I'll do is when sometimes they're hard to push on because there's rubber inside of here, I won't put grease or oil because you don't want it to come back off, but I'll put something like a little spray in there just to keep it wet for a minute. A spray that dries up and momentarily. You can find them at all the auto parts stores. And sometimes I do that when they're hard to push on. This one should be pretty easy because both these pieces are new. So let's see here. I don't know if you heard that, but it locked and it doesn't come back out. See that? It won't come back out. All right. So now I'm going to take this hole simply here, slide it up on there, like so. Take a handy dandy screwdriver here. That's a pretty good clamp. All right. So now that's tight. I'll show you these hoses under here. See how that one snaps in there, like so. The only way you can get a contraption like this hose here, they still sell it and offer it at the dealer, where you can get it the way the factory did it. If not, you can just eliminate all this together and put some aftermarket hose on there with some clamps, and really to be just as good. But me being, as I've said before, dealer trained, I just like the factory look of it, so we went ahead and went with the factory stuff here. Well, that concludes the heater hoses. Next we're going to be doing, look like the radiators. Radiator in the hoses. All right.